Alright, tech enthusiasts, ever wondered what makes your computer tick? Let's break down the essential components in just 180 seconds. First up, we have the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. Think of it as the brain of your computer. It handles all the instructions from your software. Faster CPUs mean quicker processing times for your tasks. Brands like Intel and AMD are the big players here. Next is the RAM, or Random Access Memory. This is your computer's short-term memory. When you open a program, it's loaded into RAM so your CPU can access it quickly. More RAM means more programs can run smoothly at once. Most modern PCs have at least 8 GB, but gamers and professionals might need 16 GB or more. Now, let's talk storage. You've got two main types, HDDs and SSDs. HDDs, or hard disk drives, are the traditional spinning disks. They offer lots of storage for a lower price, but they're slower. SSDs, or solid-state drives, are much faster with no moving parts, but they can be pricier per gigabyte. For the best of both worlds, many people use an SSD for their operating system and programs, and an HDD for files and backups. On to the motherboard. This is the backbone of your computer. All components like the CPU, RAM, and storage connect here. It also includes slots for expansion cards like graphics cards and sound cards. A good motherboard ensures everything communicates smoothly. Speaking of graphics cards, or GPUs, these are crucial for gaming and video editing. They take the load off your CPU by handling all the complex rendering tasks. NVIDIA and AMD are the top brands, with models like the RTX 3080 or Radeon RX 6800 making waves in the market. Don't forget the power supply. It converts electricity from your outlet into a usable form for your components. Make sure you get a reliable unit with enough wattage to support your entire setup. Finally, the cooling system. PCs generate heat, especially when performing intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. Cooling systems, including fans and liquid coolers, help prevent overheating and keep your system running efficiently. So there you have it. The CPU, RAM, storage, motherboard, GPU, power supply, and cooling system, all working together to make your computer run smoothly. Understanding these components can help you make better decisions when upgrading or building your next PC. Hit that like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.